honored to speak about a remarkable individual whose life is exemplified unwavering faith, compassion, and dedication to community and education service. That is none other than Father Salim. He was born on 7th October 1970, Neliadi, Dakshina Kannada. Father Salim grew up witnessing the challenges faced by life. Father Salim Joseph is a distinguished priest and educator from the Diocese of Beltangadi, Karnataka. He serves as the director of Unique EduSkills International, an organization dedicated to empowering individuals through skills and education. I would like to share academic journey and professional qualification of Father Salim. PhD from Tumkur University, LLB from Karnataka State Law University, Certificate in English Language Teaching to Adults from Cambridge University, London, Corporate Communication Skills Trainer, British Council Trained Teacher, International English Language Testing System Trainer, Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Application for Technical Proficiency. MA, that is Master of Arts from Mysore University, MSW, Master of Social Work from Kuvempu University, Bachelor of Theology, Enriching Knowledge in Religious, BA from Mysore University, that is Bachelor of Arts. I would like to share the experiences of Father Salim. SDM College Ujirai, teaching English language to graduates and undergraduate students, communicative English trainer to MSW students, editorial board member, teaching communicative and business English to PG students, Charva Academy of Life Skills, KVJ Law College, Sulia, teaching legal language, Spectrum, training students for teaching communicative English, teaching business English, and MHRS, legal assistant to farmer of Malnadu Religion, and skills training and training in personalized education, Bar Council Beltangadi, Advocate, Bharat Education Trust, Master Brain Program, KVJ Medical College Ethical Committee. Father Salim has been shining example of humility, dedication and unwavering faith. His words have inspired us, his actions have guided us, and his prayers have strengthened us in times of need. He has not just served as a priest, but as a shepherd to his flock, a teacher to the young, and a source of comfort to the troubled. Through his pastoral care, he has touched countless lives, offering hope where there was despair, peace where there was unrest, and love. His commitment to the church and the people is evident in every Mass. We are truly blessed to have Father Salim Joseph in our midst, a man of God who walks humbly with the Lord and leads others by example. Thank you all.